Hey everyone, imagine making $240 an hour online, completely free. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek to build a profitable online business without any investment. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for DeepSeek. First, go to DeepSeek.com and create a free account. DeepSeek is a powerful AI tool that follows detailed prompts to generate useful content. The better your prompts, the better your results. But instead of selling prompts, I'll show you how to leverage them for passive income. Step 2. Sign up for TapMob, an app that pays you to collect emails. Each time someone submits their email, you get paid. Some users make over $9,000 with this method alone. Simply collect offer links, organize them in a Google Doc, and start sharing. Step 3. Join the TEU affiliate program. It pays $10 for every free app download. Promote their $100 coupon bundle using affiliate links. If TEU isn't available in your country, you can use Amazon Associates or any other affiliate network. Step 4. Find trending products. Use DeepSeek to find trending products from TEU or Amazon. Then search for shopping groups on Facebook and join them. Share engaging product posts with your affiliate links to drive sales. Step 5. Leverage Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are a game changer. I started from scratch and gained 4,000 followers in just 5 days. Use DeepSeek to generate engaging scripts, create faceless videos, and post consistently. The beauty of Instagram Reels is that they have massive reach with zero upfront cost. Step 6. Create viral content. Download viral reels, extract their audio, and rewrite scripts using DeepSeek. Generate AI voiceovers with 11 Labs, create animations in Adobe Express, and edit in CapCut. Add captions, call to actions, and export in high quality. You can now turn viral trends into your own content. Step 7. Use faceless YouTube automation. Many people are making money with faceless YouTube automation. Simply download 2 product videos, use DeepSeek to write a script, generate a voiceover, and edit the footage into engaging content. This strategy helps you earn from ad revenue and affiliate commissions. Plus, YouTube automation works 24/7, even while you sleep. Bonus tip: scaling your business. Once you're familiar with the process, it's time to scale. Set up multiple streams of passive income with DeepSeek's content creation abilities. You can automate your Instagram, YouTube, and affiliate marketing to keep the money flowing in. The more content you produce, the more income you can generate. Conclusion: a complete roadmap to making money with DeepSeek. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my free step-by-step tutorial for more details. Start today and build your online business.